Hi everyone, I am using iPhone 3G, but I have a very serious problem. So I need help. What is the situation? The situation is actually uh, my iPhone is stuck in this screen. I was using 3 3.0 firmware. It was jailbroken by remember Red Snow 0.8. It was jailbreaked, and I mistakenly restored the iPhone, just standard restore, and just I clicked the restore button. So now I can't do anything to my iPhone. I have uh, tried lots of firmwares with shift restore method, but it didn't work. So I tried to downgrade my iTunes. Now I tried with the 8.2 version, but now I am actually, you can see, but I'm actually still trying with 9.0 actually, and it's not working. It's not going further than this. It's not going, you see the progress bar is stuck. I need help immediately. Please help me see my video. I need help actually. And which iTunes version should I use, and which firmware, which method? I don't know. I did everything I know about this issue, but it didn't work. I need really big help. Please comment. Thank you. Or I need a video response to that. Thank you for watching.